Hi there, my name is Chen and I'm a student in Newcastle University. My major is wireless embedded system. Today I'm going to talk about my graduation project, a smart temperature monitoring system IoT project. It mainly consists of three parts: IoT sensors, cloud server, and client devices. For the IoT sensors, it is to collect the data from environment like temperature, humidity. For the cloud server, it is to store this data and for showing this data in the client. For the client devices, it actually is to display the data in a line chart or some other forms to show this parameters change. For implementing the data communication between this two layer and this two layer, it can be used OSI model. For OSI model, in the IoT project, the low 4 layers are normally applied. It's basically physical things. So what I needed to do in this project is to implement the top 3 layers to make it can be interconnected. For my project, I designed this structure diagram to implement my project. This is my physical layer. This is my communication layer. It includes the inner network and the network. For my application layer, it is to show in the MySQL database and in a GUI locally. For the physical layer implementation, we can see here, it's basically pretty simple, including a Raspberry Pi and a solderless breadboard to finish my physical layer. It is interconnected by one wire protocol, and the result we can see here. After it connect well, we can see here, and its value, its low data can be shown. It actually is the temperature sensor's low output. So by processing with this data, we can get the actual temperature value. By programming with Python in readtempo.py file, we can actually get the current temperature value you can see here. And it's updated in every 30 seconds to get the real temperature data. And after getting this temperature value, we can insert into local database and a cloud database. We can see here, it's a cloud database, and this is a local database put here and a cloud database put here. It is actually for the application layer use. For storing the temperature values into database, we can program in MySQL database, and its result can be seen here. It's updated in every 30 seconds, and we can also see here, it's actually the newest temperature values can be stored into this database, and its ID will automatically add 1. And for the cloud database, we can also see here, it's also updated in every 30 seconds, and it actually is synchronized with the local database here, 22.31, and here we can also see here 22.31 is actually synchronized. For implementing a GUI, I redesigned a new database. It has some different with the previous database. We can see here, its ID will automatically add 1, and we can update it here. It's automatically add 1. But for this database, with the newest temperature value will always be in the ID in 960. Here, Yeah, always keep the newest temperature value. And by using this temperature value and uploading this temperature value into this line chart to draw it, we can see here it's newest temperature value, and this is a real time to show the newest point of this line chart. And by using this method, I can draw the line chart. And the GUI's temperature value also can be updated in 30 seconds. For another way is to show for clients, it is to upload the temperature values into the IoT cloud platform. It is actually Ubidots IoT cloud platform. And by uploading the temperature values into this IoT cloud form by using HTTP request post method. And with these values, we can draw a line chart in this platform, and this is the result. With the event application in this cloud platform, we can set an alarm value to report the alarm. And in this project, I set the temperature value is 30. By touching the temperature sensor, make it temperature values can be up, and when the temperature values get reach at 30, we can receive a message, and it needs time to run. We can see here the temperature reach 30 Celsius degree, and we can receive an alarm message here, alarm. I'd like to thank Dr. Yaglov and Bristrov, who helped me a lot.